When we first started, Handwriting Without Tears developed a new, developmentally appropriate way to get to the heart of every letter, with easy-to-teach and easy-to-learn handwriting instruction. Since then, we've evolved from a handwriting company to a learning company. Now, we are Learning Without Tears, and this is our story. We provide child-friendly, hands-on, engaging, and innovative instruction for pre-K, handwriting, keyboarding, and writing for students in pre-K through 5th grade. We specifically designed our research-proven programs to build well-rounded, confident communicators for every child. Our programs reach more than 31 million students across the country. Get Set for School prepares preschoolers for kindergarten. Handwriting Without Tears teaches writing fluency. Keyboarding Without Tears boosts typing speed and accuracy. And Building Writers offers support for core writing skills. We keep it all about the letters, the students, and the teachers. We've reimagined our instruction with a variety of interactive digital and multimedia components, catchy songs to teach pre-K students foundation skills, lesson plans, online resources, assessments, and reporting tools to support educators, increase family participation, and help students meet standards and boost test scores. Countless connections made at professional development workshops and conferences, and limitless inspiration from schools and districts across the country. All of this without tears. We provide students and teachers with the proven strategies, technology, and support because with Learning Without Tears, success is simple and fun.